Today, we install the ductwork at the house edition. Welcome back to the house edition. So today, we're going to be meeting the ductwork contractors, and they're going to start running the ductwork in the bedroom, the bathroom, and the closet. So I'll need to be available so I can cut out the sheathing in the floor. That way they'll be able to get access to the joist base to run their duct. So let's get started. So I need to cut out in this area right here of the floor. So I'm going to move all this stuff out of this closet just to get it out of the way. Alright, so we have all the closet area cleared out. And now what I'll need to do is cut out the sheathing in this general area, because the trunk is actually right under this sheathing. And we'll then go to run the joist in this cavity right here, and it's going to go adjoining that toilet flange out there to the outside wall. So after that, they'll run one in the adjoining bay, probably into the bathroom and for the closet here. The last duct that they'll run is going to be right here by the window, which they're going to run in this bay here and come across and run in underneath this bathroom in the utility room. Okay, we're going to try to cut this section out first, just to make sure this works. Otherwise, I'll need a cat's paw. Alright, so I got the duct removed from the floor there, and I've got it out of the bay. I'm going to go ahead and cover off that opening right there with panning and seal it off. So I just used a scrap from them cutting out the other register hole to fill this one in. Then I just PL'd it to seal it. Alright, so they just wrapped up. Here's the 3 takeoffs. This one right here is going to be the register for the closet. That one over there will be the register for the bathroom. So you can see where this one continues across. And then it terminates outside by the exterior wall. Now this one right here runs in the floor right over here, and it ties into the trunk, and it runs above the ceiling and then goes outside. So we got all the ductwork installed now. The only thing we need to get the inspection is some paperwork. So I'm going to leave early, and then I'm going to go home and run some calculations just to document that the unit that we currently have, the HVAC unit, the heat pump, can run the entire house with the addition of this room here. So hopefully that'll satisfy the inspector, and hopefully, more importantly, it actually will be sized enough to run it. Because if we have to upgrade the unit, he might be okay to let us go ahead and slide and do that at the time of final. He can see the new unit. But I'm not sure, so I really want to try to push to get insulation in this room and start hanging drywall. That way we don't have to be so concerned with the conditioning with these water lines in here. So, in the next clip, hopefully we'll have the results from the manual J and the sizing and confirm that everything will be fine, and maybe even have the inspection. So, I hope you'll join me in the next clip where we continue to make progress on the addition. I'll see you then.